Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to discuss about the chemical changes, creative question of chemical changes. My dear students, in my last lecture I discussed also a creative questions related with equilibrium constant Kp/Kc. But today I am going to discuss about the thermochemical topic of this chapter. P and Q are both hydrocarbons containing two carbon atoms with sp3 and sp2 hybridization respectively. But dear boys, all of you know that sp3 means carbon-carbon single bond and sp2 means carbon-carbon double bond. The heat of formation of Q, carbon dioxide, water are 84, minus 393 and minus 220 kilojoule mole inverse respectively. Heat of combustion of P hydrocarbon is minus 1370 kilojoule mole inverse. My dear boys, just I would like to say you shortly what is heat of formation. The energy which is changed during the formation of 1 mole chemical substance is called heat of formation at that temperature. And heat of combustion means the amount of heat which is changed due to the combustion reaction of 1 mole substance in the presence of sufficient atmospheric oxygen is called heat of combustion. However, now come to the question. Calculate the heat of formation of hydrocarbon P. Hydrocarbon P in the stem. It is stated that in the question is given heat of combustion, but it is given in the stem. But in the question, heat of formation is asked. So P indicates ethane because it is said in the stem two carbon atoms and sp3. sp3 means carbon-carbon single bond in between two carbon atoms. So it will be ethane, and the molecular formula of ethane is there are two carbon atoms, that's why it will be C2, and there are 6 hydrogen atoms, that's why it will be H6. And my dear students, you must memorize it. The combustion reaction of all hydrocarbons. In the combustion reaction of all hydrocarbons, carbon dioxide and water is produced. Only the digits of the coefficient of the balancing are coefficient of balanced reaction are different, but the products are same in case of the combustion reaction of all type of hydrocarbons. However, heat of combustion of ethane equals to heat of formation of product minus heat of formation of reactant. It is actually the formula. So I have to write here the values. Heat of formation, heat of combustion of ethane, it is given in the stem minus 13.70 minus 13.70 equals to 2. I mean this coefficient is given here 2, heat of formation of carbon dioxide plus heat of formation of water, and this coefficient 3 is also given in the equation. So now I am going to put the values of those heat of combustion formations. 2 into heat of formation of carbon dioxide is minus 393 plus 3 into minus 220 kilojoule. It is given in the stem. 220 kilojoule it is given in the stem, and minus delta HF. It is actually I have to calculate the heat of formation of C2H6. And my dear students, it is stated that heat of formation or heat of combustion of oxygen is always 0 because oxygen itself does not take part in the combustion reaction, but it helps to burn anything. That's why the heat of formation or heat of combustion of oxygen is zero. It is zero. So delta H F C2H6, I mean heat of formation of ethane is equal minus 76 kilojoule mole inverse. That's all about the heat of formation of ethane. Which is better fuel between P and Q? My dear students, already I have told you P indicates ethane in the question C. P indicates ethane and Q indicates ethene because in Q compound two carbon atoms are bonded with one another by carbon-carbon double bond as it is sp2 hybridization. So the structural formula of this compound is actually CH2 double bond CH2, and the molecular formula will be C2H2 plus 2 4 C2H4. However, heat of combustion of ethane is given in the STEM minus 1370 kilojoule. To convert it kilojoule mole to convert it kilojoule gram inverse, I have to divide 1370 divided by 30. I mean molecular mass of ethane is 30. So the heat of combustion of 1 gram ethane is minus 45.67 kilojoule gram inverse. And here the combustion reaction of ethane, my dear boys, already I have told you the combustion reaction of all hydrocarbons, carbon dioxide and water are produced. There are two carbon atoms at the left side, so at the right side it will be 2. It will be 2, and there are 4 hydrogen atoms in ethene. At the right side there are only 2 hydrogen atoms. To make it balance I have to write here 2, and the total number of oxygen atoms 2 into 4, so it will be 6. I have to write here 3. So delta H C2H4, I mean heat of combustion of ethene equals to heat of formation of products minus heat of formation of reactants. You have to write here the coefficient of the products and also the reactants. So heat of formation of carbon dioxide is minus 393 kilojoule mole inverse, and water is minus 220 kilojoule mole inverse, and heat of formation of ethene is minus 84 kilojoule mole inverse, and heat of formation of oxygen is 0. All of you know that heat of formation or heat of combustion of oxygen will be 0 because it does not take part in the combustion reaction. Even it is found in naturally, it need not to produce. That's why the heat of formation of oxygen is 0. And so the heat of combustion of ethene is minus 1142 kilojoule mole inverse. My dear boys, if you want to convert it kilojoule to kilojoule gram inverse, you have to divide minus 1142 divided by 28, as the molecular formula of ethene is 28. So the heat of combustion of ethene is minus 40.78 kilojoule gram inverse. So it is seen that the heat of combustion of ethane is more than the heat of combustion of ethene in case of 1 gram amount. So as the heat of combustion of ethane in case of 1 gram is more than ethene, that's why ethane is a better fuel. My dear students, that's all about this creative question. Actually, all of you know that there are 3 parts in this chapter. One is one is chemical equilibrium and kinetic part. Already I have discussed it in my previous lecture, KPKC related, and Le Chatelier principle related a creative question. Now today I have discussed about the thermochemical part, and there is also another part related with acidic and basic equilibrium. I mean, that is actually related with pH of acidic basic solution and buffer solution. I will discuss it in my next lecture. Goodbye, my dear students.